What up YouTube? Today's the first day we're gonna actually travel a bit more. We are just boarding our ferry with the car, just did check-in. And what else? I think this is the easiest way to get to, we should have been on line 1.
Yeah.
Damn.
Do not do YouTube while you drive.
Merry-go-round. Okay, yeah, anyways, we are going to try to get our car into boat and go from there. Now while we're waiting to get on board with our car, I thought I could share a pro tip. If you're traveling to Germany, Sweden or Estonia by car, you can get really easily there by boat from Helsinki. Only thing you really have to wait to get on board. We've been here now for, I'd say, 25 minutes or so, and nothing's happening. There's something happening. This guy's running back and forth. You're gonna see him in 3, 2, 1 now. Oh, we're moving. Oh wow.
A double bed.
Mm. So this is our cabin. Are they cabins?
Yes.
And I'm on manual focus again. That's why it was so dark. Instagram moments.
No Twitter this time.
Twitter moments.
Twitter moments.
Not moments though, but yeah, it's nice to have double bed in your cabin. The toilets are always tiny as hell. It's pretty much the same this time. Yeah, for one night. Not too bad. And of course we have curtains leading nowhere. No sea view this time, but not to worry. We're here to sleep. We're gonna be in Stockholm early tomorrow morning at 10 AM. And we're gonna see a lot of scenery right after that, because we are driving like 600 kilometers or so from Stockholm to Malmö. Right on. What's next?
It's dinner time.
Why are you always partying like that?
Because I like to party.
She likes to party. Like at home.
Yeah, not in the clubs.
We have a dinner reservation. Viking Line was kind enough to give us this room as well as 9-course dinner at their new restaurant in this boat. Why not?
So thank you.
Thank you, Viking Line. This is not unpaid promotion, but if you are traveling from Helsinki to Stockholm, you should consider taking Viking Line. Okay, we just had our 9-course dinner, which was pretty amazing. I think the restaurant was called No Name Restaurant. So it doesn't have a name. I don't know. Anyways, I had a little bit of accident. I kind of ripped my pants before we ate. So we're gonna go shopping. We'll see if there's any clothing. And we're back. I didn't find any jeans, any new pants, so I'm not gonna show you how they rip. It's from the crotch, so. But I did find new shirt and 2 new t-shirts. So all in all, quite a good trip. It's just I need jeans, and I have packed like 20 shirts just yesterday. But man always needs new shirts, and when you find those, you gotta buy them. I think we're gonna take advantage of this TV, that laptop, and some series Sari has been downloading. It's gonna be chill night. It's 9 p.m. and we're gonna arrive to Stockholm at 10 in the morning, that is. So we can get plenty of sleep, watch few episodes of, what are we watching?
The Big Bang Theory.
The Big Bang Theory. Have a good night's sleep, because tomorrow we have like 500 kilometers worth of driving. That's probably 6 to 7 hours plus stops, plus some store that sells me jeans. So it's gonna be a long one, and we gotta take it easy before that. We see in the morning. We have a breakfast here as well. See ya.